Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video, I will show you how to create a mug or a cup, whatever you call it, with some text on it in Blender. So let's get started. So here I have a cube. Also, I'll just enable my screencast key so that you can see whatever key I'm pressing. You don't have to do this. Okay, so I'll just press X and here you can see you are able to see X. So again, I'll just press X, delete. Then the first thing is we need to add a circle. So I'll just go to add mesh circle, change the vertices to 20, go to edit mode, F to fill, then click on minus y axis, then you need to extrude, sorry, so just press E. It is already in the Z direction, so I don't have to press Z or Z, and I'll just extrude it like this to 2 levels. Then add a loop cut at center, so I'll just select this particular loop cut, I'll add it at the center. Then bevel it, so I'll just press command B or control B, whatever you are using. So I'll just bevel it like this. Then I'll just get rid of my loop cut by pressing this. Then we need to select the two edges. So first, before I'll go to edge select this particular edge, then I'll select this particular edge, then I'll just do command B again to bevel those. So yeah, here I have done it. Then go to face select, then we have to select two faces and delete them. So I'll just select this particular face, X, delete faces. Okay, so here you can see it has been deleted. Then again I'll press this face, I'll press X, delete faces. Okay, then we need to delete the top face as well, so I'll just delete that. Then again go to edge select, and here we select all edges of top and bottom face which are on sides. So I'll just select this all edges, I'll press shift, I'll select all this as well. Then E and Y to extrude, so I'll just move it over here, EY. So yeah, something like this is fine. Then select the bottom edge of top and the top edge of bottom, sorry, not this one, the top edge, this one. Then you just need to right click, bridge edge loops, and you need to change the number of cuts to 4 and change interpolation to blend surface. Then select the top edge of top face, this one, and the bottom edge of the bottom one, and then you just need to press shift R. So we are just like repeating what we have done it for previously. Then select the right edge of top, so this one, press F to fill. So I'll just press FF and it will fill it for me. Then select the left edge as well, so this is F F F F F. Then I'll go to modifiers, then I'll add a solidify modifier, then change the thickness to 0.1. If you want, you can go to object mode as well just to see it more clearly. Okay, then we need to add a subdivision surface. Okay, and I'll just change this to 3, change this to 3 as well. Then apply the solidify. Then select bottom face in edit mode, select this, go to face mode, select the bottom face, I'll press I to insert, again I to insert this much, and I to insert again this much. Then go back to object mode again, right click, shade smooth, or you can do shade auto smooth as well if you feel like. Go to edit mode, then go to X-ray, and here you can just change this handle, like move it however you feel like. So I can just select this particular edge over here, sorry, I'll have to go to edge mode, I'll just select this particular thing, I'll just do G, I'll move it over here, again I'll just select all of this, sorry, just select, let's select it one by one. I'll just select this particular part. Okay, I think it has not been selected properly, I'll just select it, yeah, Then I can move it like this. It's up to you how you want to move it. Press G and move it, and I just press G and move it as well. Yeah, so something like this looks okay to me. Then we need to add text, so go to object mode, add text. I'll just go back to this, and here you can type it anything. So I'll just type, just first remove this, and if you want you can just hide this circle as well, just so that you can see it. I'll just type coding, enter, with, enter, nobody. Okay, so something like this looks okay. Then we need to go to object data properties, then change the alignment. So here I'll just change it to center, this to middle. Then go to object mode, and then just bring back our circle. Here I can just do RX90. Okay, then just go to object, convert mesh, then go to edit mode and I'll just select A to select everything. I'll just scale it down. Okay, I'll just move it over here. I'll just rotate this as well, I think around Z axis, something like this. Okay, just move it, just scale it a bit in. Okay, and just move it like this. Then add a decimate modifier. And then go to planar. Okay, I'll have to go to object mode, click on apply, then add a shrink wrap, then select the target. So I'll just select, and I'll select circle, and here you can see it has automatically added it on top of our cup. Then here wrap, you can select project as well and click on negative. So this has meshed it up a little bit. Then just add a solidify as well. Okay, and here you can just change the thickness, just change it to 0.012. okay, and go to, I think so we can maybe uncheck this positive. Let's keep it like this only. I think this is working fine. Maybe we'll have to change the thickness a bit. Okay, yeah, something like this. I think this thickness is even still too much, so I'll maybe 1.8. yeah, this looks too much to me. 1, yeah, this looks okay. Yeah, you can change it to whatever you feel like. Then just go to shading tab. Then first let's just add it for this text. Click on new, change this to black, then just select our cube, add new. I'll just keep the color as white. So yeah, that's it. I'll just go to file, export, gltf, go to desktop. I'll just click on data, mesh, apply modifiers. I'll click on export gltf. Now you can view it inside a gltf viewer, and so here I can just drag and drop this, and here you can see this is our output. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.